Tayo, everybody. I've been learning how to cook Philippine food, and today I've chosen a right cracker. It's a great dish. It's got the sweetness of coconut, which is balanced out by the savoury of the bagaong, which is a shrimp paste that you get here in the Philippines, and it has a kick like a mule because it's got the chili in it. It's easy to cook, and to be honest with you, at times I felt like I was cheating because it was so easy. So it's an easy one to try at home, and if you try it at home, it tastes better than what you get in the restaurant. Traditional recipe says to use belly pork, but I chose to use a leaner cut of pork, but the choice was yours. So what I can say to you is Tayo and enjoy. That's a wrap. It has the sweetness of the coconut, it has the sourness of the shrimp paste or the bagaong that you put inside, but also it has the kick of the chilies. It's called Bicol Express, but there's a bit of a story behind where it originated, because the Bicol region is over the east side of the Philippines, and obviously they claim it's theirs, and they claim it's a traditional dish. But there's also a story of it being developed here in Manila, but I'm not going to say which story is correct. I'm just going to say it's a very tasty dish, and it's easy to cook at home. The original recipe uses belly pork, but I prefer to use a leaner cut of pork. So you have a choice whether you go with the traditional method or whether you like to go for a healthier, leaner cut of pork like I do. So it's been steadily boiling away now for 30 minutes or so, and the instructions that I read says 50 minutes. But after 30 minutes, mine looks ready to go to the next phase. But so now I'm going to add some green beans, I'm going to add some ground black pepper, and I'm also going to add some bagaong. Bagaong is a Philippine shrimp paste. And if you're watching this from Europe or outside of Asia, and you can't get shrimp paste, I'm sure anchovies will do an equally good job.